Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video, we're going to be replacing the windshield wipers on a 2006 Honda Civic. This is for the 2006 to 2011. And in this video, I'm going to be using Rainx Latitude. This is the 26-inch one, and it's for the driver's side, and then the passenger side uses a 22-inch. I did pick these up on Amazon. You guys could probably get them at your local auto store, or you could just get on Amazon, have it delivered directly to your house. These actually came in same day, so that's pretty awesome. And there will be links in the description down below, so if you guys do want to pick up some of these are actually pretty awesome. I love them. But let's go on over and get started with replacing the wipers. Alright, so we're going to get started with raising up the wipers, and the way these work is actually with a little hook. So we're going to have to take it and pull it straight kind of down. So let's go ahead and do that, which that actually came out a lot easier than expected. And I don't know if you can see that little hook right there. So then when we open up the new one, all right, then you can kind of see there's this little door thing on the front that's going to flip open. There we go. Then it's going to wrap right around in this hole where it says Rainx on it. So it's just going to slide right in here just like this. And then you want to slide it forward as much as you can. There we go. It kind of pops in place. And then go ahead and flip this door closed. And just like that, it is replaced. And now you can go ahead and slide off this little plastic trim. And just like that, the wiper is replaced. And now we can go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. But luckily, this is a very simple process for this car. Some cars are a little different, but at least this one's not too bad. But if you guys did like this video, make sure you get on and hit the like button. Let me know if this video did help you guys out. And if you have any other questions or concerns, make sure you put them in the comments as well. Also, there's going to be links in the description down below so you guys can pick up these wiper blades. But if you guys did like the video, go down and hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.